northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Williamsville around 3:50 p.m., Middletown and Elkhart around 3:55 p.m., Lincoln around 4 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Atlanta. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 55 between mile markers 102 and 141.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bolingbrook to near Joliet to near Manhattan to near Lakewood Shores, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfurt Square, Palos Heights, Westchester, West Town, Preston Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Oak Lawn, Marionette Park, Orland Hills, Summit, West Garfield Park, Austin, near North Side, Stickney, Willowbrook, Logan Square, Crestwood, Westmont, Lower West Side, Elwood, Avalon Park, Grand Boulevard, Calumet City, and South Deering. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.